tank has been set up. Let's look at how the surrounding. Start from the front. It's a door, very big mesh door, and then on the side there's two of these on the side, and then we look at the main section, the bedroom. This is a big mesh in here. We can look at it inside. There's a zip over here to just open the whole mesh from inside. This is from both sides. That's the back. That's the whole mesh door in here. And same like I said on the other side. This is the big mesh. You can open it all the way. So now we have been looking at the surroundings, and this mainly four fiberglass pole. So two red ones running this way, and then two longer black ones going across at the back, and that's about it. So you see window, mesh window, and then door on the other side is the same. We will go inside and have a look. So I just unzip the front. So we're going in from the front door. You can see here we got a zipper at here. You can unzip it. And let's look at the side. That's the mesh window on both sides. In here, and let's get in now. Coming in, so that's the main section. Like I said, there's two mesh, big window on each side, and then I just open this door. Let me get through, and then another mesh door in here. No, that's a window, not a door. And this is a door. So let's see at the accessory. It's very minimum, so it's hanger in there. So there's no side pocket, no pocket on this side, nothing much on this side. Yeah, so pretty much no pocket at all. What you got is this little pocket on this side and this side. That's about it. So I open the window and show you guys again how it looked like. So coming in from the front, you can see the door. The door is it's not fully a door in here. I was thinking you can yeah, there's a bit of here in there. There's not much pocket at all around this area. You got the big mesh window slash door. You can actually open this and open this as well. But in this way, coming in the main room, you can't open the mesh from the side, but it's a very big mesh from both ways. You can see it from left to right, but can't be open. But this door you can open. Yeah, that's pretty much basic. The inner section. I'm going to set up the fryer, and we will see. Here we go. I set up the fryer. Just let you guys see how it look like overall. Then I can just show you some details. So let's start from the front. These two sections is one. On the other side, you can just unzip and free up. The door the same. So it's possible you just pull it up and then use 2 poles on the side and do a bit of awning for this one, and the one at the back. So these 3 of them you can do a awning. And then this is the main window for the main room. So it's a zip in here. You can just roll it to each side, and here is a big zip, and then open the door at the back. Same structure on this side. Not much change. Now at the back of the tent, one feature of this is you have the big window door at the back. There's a pocket. The whole thing can just tuck into the pocket, and you have the whole back door like this. And then there's a side door, the side window, not door, sorry again. The reason you want to set up the front door as an awning is if you don't have awning in a rainy day, the rain just go, because you can see this is like angle. Rain is coming down. If you don't have an awning on top, basically you can't use this door in a rainy day. So that's the way you need to set up awning, possibly on this way as well, on the other side. Now I open all the window and the fryer. Just have another look of how it's like. Notice this, although it's a big window in here, but there's no attachment. You can open these 2 wings, so it's become a smaller window in this case. Similar at the back, you don't have something to move to roll this up, so it's kind of blocking the whole door a little bit. Yeah, that's the back. Another detail about this, you have this little key. You just press it, you just go, and then you can just attach this. Not the best system, but it works. So it's a press. One more thing about the big mesh window at the main room. You can see the zipper is going down, that's it. And then there another zipper going down in here. There's no zip between the upper section. So upper section you can see this whole mesh in here. And then outer layer is the fryer. And there would be a condensation problem. And then the rain might drip in here and then go down a little bit into the tent. That would be possible. Let's see. So now I have fully zipped up everything. You can see there's the row 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and because the structure of the tent, I really need to have this 2 rows in place. Otherwise the pole, because this pole is like this, it's not like a dome like the one in the back crossover, so you do need to have those in place. And each of them got a little bit of pocket. You can store it. You can store the thing after and zip it up.